everyone, this is my scrapbook all about me. I want to show you my scrapbook. My name is Science. This is me. I am 5 years old. This is 5 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am a boy. My nickname is Sinu. My parents. This is my father. He is a system administrator in a software company. She is my mother. She is the housewife. I live in Indore, Madhya Pradesh, India. My school name is SKPS. I study in class KG2. My class teacher name is Rekha ma'am. My favorite subject is English. When I grow up, I want to be scientist. My birthday is 19 September. My favorite fruit is apple. My favorite vegetable is carrot. My favorite flower is rose. My favorite animal is rabbit. My favorite insect is butterfly. My favorite color is blue and red. My favorite cartoon is Peppa Pig and Titipo. My favorite festival is Diwali. My favorite water animal is fish. My favorite bird is parrot. My favorite season is winter. My favorite dessert is ice cream and besan ke laddu. My favorite drink is milk. My favorite food is paratha and kheer puri. My handprints. I like to eat Maggi. I like to watch cartoon. I like to play with Mama. I like to play cricket. I like to cycling. I like to go to park. I like to wake up early in the morning. I like to go to school. My hobbies. I reading and drawing. Always keep smile. Thank you.